Izzy's excitement is about to burst like a balloon. "My birthday is in 2 weeks," she shouts. Inside voice, her classmates tell her, yet again. Izzy's brain works a little differently. Sometimes her emotions whoosh big and fast, or she gets super stuck on things she likes. Sometimes she needs help learning, or she moves around while the teacher talks. But always, she has a generous heart. Kofi is new to school. He is organized, curious, and counting the days until he makes friends. Kofi loves kickball, but he's nervous. What if the other kids don't like how he plays? Should I join in, he wonders. Izzy jumps into the game ahead of him, but she makes up her own rules and puzzles the group. The rest of the kids don't want to play anymore. They wander away, and Kofi is left out. Izzy thinks about Kofi while she finishes her party invitations. Should I invite him, she wonders. She slaps glitter and feathers and gobs of glue onto one more piece of paper. Izzy dances up to Kofi. "Don't be down in the dumps. You can come to my birthday party." Kofi hears other kids talking not so nice about Izzy. They don't want to go to her party. Should I go, he wonders. Izzy and I are so different, he thinks. Like chalk and cheese, chilies and chocolate, chickens and cows. I won't go, he decides. Oh no. Oh no. Izzy is confused. "Don't you want to go?" she asks Kofi. I don't know, he says. Izzy surprises Kofi as she walks away. "It's okay," she shrugs. "You don't have to go." Kofi tries apologizing to Izzy. "I messed up." "No skin off my nose," she says. "You use funny sayings." "I love, love, love idioms. They don't mean what they sound like," Izzy says. "Do you like riddles?" Kofi asks. "Nope, they do not tickle my fancy," she replies. "Pickles?" Kofi asks. Izzy shudders. "Yuck, not if my life depended on it." "Snow?" Kofi asks. "We don't live at the North Pole," Izzy cries. "My turn," Izzy says. "How about monster movies?" "If they aren't too scary," Kofi tells her. "Dinosaurs?" Izzy asks. "If they can fly," Kofi says. "You could come to my birthday if you change your mind," Izzy says. Kofi claps. "Really?" Kofi has an idea. "Let's count to 3 and say our favorite thing about birthdays." Izzy gives a thumbs up. Kofi counts off. 1, 2, 3. Confetti cake. "Glad I came," Kofi says, doing his best chicken dance. "Glad I invited you," Izzy shrieks in her happiest outside voice.